So in this video we're going to make it where the player's needs decay, and we're going to make it where whenever one of their needs hit 0, the game ends. So the first thing we're going to do is add an if statement, and we're going to not add an if statement, add a function. We're going to call it decay underscore needs. Now the first thing we're going to do is add an if statement in that function. We're going to do if game.turns is equal to 60. And then we're going to do a for each loop. So for each key in game.needs, current is equal to get attribute player comma key plus underscore current. So we're iterating through our game.needs function. And so the first key in our game.needs function, well, the way I set it up is hunger. So with this next line right here, we're just getting whatever the player's current hunger is. And after that, we're going to current is equal to current plus game.need underscore decay. So I set my need underscore decay to -4. So for example, if the player's current hunger is 100 plus -4 is going to be 96. So now when you set player comma key plus underscore current is equal to current. So with this line, we're just basically just making things official. Like we're just setting the player's hunger underscore current equal to 96. And so now underneath the for each loop, we're going to do game.turns is equal to 0, just to reset our counter so we can do this again. And now we're going to add decay underscore needs to our take turn script. We're going to add it right above our update status function. So decay underscore needs. Now we're actually going to test it out and see if it works. So let's say I wait 60 turns and it decreases, and each time it's decreasing by -4, so that's working. Okay, now we need to go to our player object attributes, and we want to add a new attribute called dead. It's going to be a boolean, or however you say that, and keep it false because the player isn't dead yet, basically. So now I want to go back to decay underscore needs, and after we set the attribute, what we're going to do is add another if statement. So we're going to do if 0 is greater than or equal to current, we're going to do player.dead is equal to true. And now I want to go back to our take turn underscore turn script, and underneath update underscore status, we're going to do an if statement. So if player.dead, so you can either do player, you can just leave this and do player.dead, that's still going to be true, or you can do player.dead is equal to true. These are both the same thing, but I'm just leave this player.dead is equal to true. And then we're going to type in finish. And so after that, we're going to test it out. And I'm going to wait like 1,400. Okay, so now we only have 4 in each of our needs, and now I'm gonna wait another 60, and it ends the game.